So for today's theme, I wanted to talk about what has become a bit of a buzzword and trending topic in the form of toxic people in particular. And I want to talk about toxic people because not everyone is toxic. So when we practice things like move and meditate, it helps us get closer to our true selves and who we really are at our core. And that's when we do any type of mindfulness practice. So whether that be yoga, meditation, tai chi, whatever your form of mindfulness practice, maybe just sitting with your breath and being present. The more we do mindfulness practices, it helps us to really see ourselves clearly. Mindfulness practices help us to know what we truly value most in life. And most importantly, they help us to articulate our needs and what we need most to nurture our true selves. So when we can clearly articulate what we need most to support our highest self and our highest goods, we step into a whole new sense of power and understanding. This topic has come up for me last week in particular because I had two interactions last week where I clearly articulated what I needed to potential business partners, and I was able to communicate my learning style to them. There's so many different types of learning styles. It's really important to know which one resonates with you. I'm a visual learner. I like to read, touch, feel, see things, and I'm a bit of a tactical learner as well versus just hearing people lecture. And I also communicated my non-negotiables. And both of those potential business partners declined to do business with me, which was totally fine. And I share this to say that not everyone we come in contact with is toxic. Sometimes they're just not in alignment with our core values and who we are at our core and who our true selves are. So it can be kind of easy to say, oh, that person is toxic and, I just don't want their negative energy around me. Well, that's probably not really the case. They just weren't a good fit. And that happens not only in business relationships, but it happens a lot in romantic relationships. And even sometimes we have to evaluate our family relationships, right? Just because we share blood with someone doesn't necessarily mean that they should be in our space and we should be interacting with them. So sometimes the universe gently removes people from our path to make space for the people that we do need to support us on the next step in our journey.